Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here. I will trade, and this was the trade I have taken actually. Then I started recording, and let's see, I started with $11. I will show my history as well after completing my trading. I had started with just $11 and now I'm at $26. Let's see. If you are new at my channel, please hit the subscribe button, also on the notification bell, and join my Telegram channel. Okay, I'm going to place a higher option. I placed higher option. I just marked this trend line, and this candle close above this trend line, this red candle. Okay, and when this red candle close above this trend line, it's mean market want to continue now. So I placed my trade. Let's see what will happen here. And if you want to check our services, our packages for our subscribers, you can see the link in the description. Okay, management and services, you can check this link too, and also join our free Telegram group. Okay, so uh, yes, we won this trade. We won this trade too, and we will wait for the right opportunity, and I will place some more trades. At least I will try to reach $40 today. Okay. Let's see. No opportunity. Yeah, because the trend is here and the horizontal point is here. This is the horizontal point. I can only gauge the opportunity from this point. Okay, no. Okay, we have many pairs, and we have, okay, let's see if the candle go at this point, the VIX point. I will mark my trade as a, okay, I will go with buyers. Okay, great. So actually first I wanted to place my trades with a lower option, why, from this VIX point. Okay, but now I placed my trade higher option, and here you can see a pattern is red green red green. So according to this pattern, maybe this candle is going to be a red candle, but because of my entry point, I will win this trade, I think. Yes, I won this trade too. I won this trade too. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, I place my trade higher option because from because of this pattern, and there is actually pattern. Because of this pattern, this candle should close above my entry point, or it should close. Let's see what will happen. If I don't win this trade, I will place next trade with $10 if I lose this trade. So we have some more time. Okay, I lost this trade. No need to worry. Okay, I placed here $10 trade because I'm expecting that now market should make a bullish candle, not a bearish candle at this time. and there is a trend point and the horizontal point. These 2 points we have. So this running candle should be a buyer's candle. Let's see. Yes, it is closing as a bullish candle, so I think I won this trade. Yes, great, I won this trade. You can see I won this trade. And let's see if I have any other opportunity. I will place my trade. No. No, I think I cannot place my trade here. Okay, here I have an opportunity, so I immediately place my trade higher option because I think this is a rejection point. Market getting rejection many times from this point, so I think maybe my entry point is a little bit late. Let's see if there is some rejections from buyers, so I think I should win this trade. I should win this trade if there is any rejections from buyers at this point. So let's see what's going to make. Oh, I lose this trade here, but okay, actually because of my entry point, okay, no need to worry. I immediately place my trade here. You can see, this is the points and a rejection point and a level as well. So I know this candle now going to be a green candle. Maybe we may lose our trade because there is no 100%. As you can see here, I'm even losing the trades, but the main thing is how we cover the loss, and we should always be in profit. So let's see, and I'm sure that some buyers will definitely enter here, and this candle should be a green one. Yes, you see, finally I win this trade. This is a green candle, and now I'm at $41. It's enough for me. I think it's enough for today. And here is, you can see that how you can make profit with a small amount, with $10, with $20, or you can see here is that I lose this trade, and with $11 I started and I make this trade, and then you can see my all history. Now I'm at $41. Okay, thank you for watching my video.